We are here, you know this man, the coping man is here dealing with the rod that may be put into the copings. The mixture is there and the formulations for the molds. So everything is being on course. We are catching up with time. So the molders are here. Everything is moving according to schedule. What is today? Is it Sunday? Yeah, today is Sunday, so you can see my big engineer wearing his jarabia. Yeah, that is him. With his jarabia. We want to do rare jobs, we don't hide faces. This is us. Yeah, everybody is in action. Yeah. Have to put everything in place and make sure the customer, the client is being served well. So that is what we do. All the materials in, we have the storeroom. To see is the molding cement. We'll be taking this off when the carpenters come back on site. You can see the sun. I have that. So everything is on course, moving. The top two, everything is in place. Yes. Thank you. So the most have started. You can see them. Yes. This is two in one. So the middle is the division. It's a very nice small mold. We show you how it is in the video. Called the mantus. Yeah. So that's it. All these parts, the small portion may be taken out of it, and then the middle, the center line is the division. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you. We are here this morning. You can see the coping mode all around. The squad is here. You can see their bags. We're coming to fix everything. It's a process. We fix before the top dress and we come. So there is it. We are here with our generator for cutting and everything. So everything is on course. That's it. Big man,
Yes, sir.
you are here today.
I'm here, sir.
Okay. So meaning everything will be going on perfect.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hey, the body man. Are you are lucky, like I will show you your body, but so that they should see you are this and a bole macho one macho. Okay, thank you. So these are the shapes. They come in half modes like this. the shape. So before we fix, you can see is exactly what you requested. Yeah, thank you.
How it looks from Gigo Production, coping on your hilly roofing. This is a nice coping, very clean and neat.
Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is the Aburi project, and this is how far we got into. This morning. I want to give you the 360 view of the building with a coping on top of it. So this is how it looks like. I started from the front, and this is the right view of it. This is the right view. This is the back view. This is the back view. And this is the left view. Neatly done. So this is it.
So that was Pele for you, giving us an update of how this project is moving, and you can see it for yourself. On this channel, we like to show working, right? So after the parapet was done, fast and also fixed, as you can see, it has been fixed. Fast forward, we started with the plastering of the hidden roof gutters. So as you can see, whilst we are waiting for the roofing sheet company, to get the production going, we begin already with the plastering. So I think we'll be seeing more about it, in our next episode. This episode is more focused on the parapet design, right? So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on the next upload of this project.
All right, this is a parapet design from Gigo. All right, this nice design. If you want it on your building, you know, this is called parapet. After we have done it, the roofing, the wooden guy will come up, and after that, then the roofing mat will come. So as you can see, this is Ghana. Yeah, Ghana. This building is in Ghana, and you know, this is the wood they are going to put on the building. All right. So if you want your building to look nice like this with parapet design, we are available on Gigo. All right.
So that's another update, for you on a different project. And as you can see, this parapet is also different. It comes in all sizes and shapes, depending on what, you are looking for. With the Aburi Amanfrom project, it is just a simple design, a light design. The owner didn't want to have, like so much big, on top of the structure. So he went with a simple, line. But here you can see multiple, line. This is also a different design, right? So, this guy has been on the channel for a long time now, right? I haven't been kind of posting his videos because most of the clients, don't allow us to post their, houses here on the channel because some of the houses we were not the one that built it, right? So they called him on my first, I think, project that I built on this channel, which was the Tema project. So this is the first time I posted this guy's, work on the channel. He did this, and since then, like a lot of people, I just posted one video of him, right? For about, I think it's been 2 years ago, 2 to 3 years ago. And that's the only video a lot of clients has been calling, him for their work. So if you also have your project, right, and you want this design, trust me, this guy can do a very good job. Just, that is my number up there. Get in touch with me and I will forward his number right to you. So this was the project I was talking about. This is, I think my first subscriber that, we started building for. And I just want to bring this video up. I know most of you is your first time seeing this project, and some of my subscribers, you are new, and I don't think most of you have seen this. I have this project here on my channel from the foundation all the way to the finishing. I think at this moment we are done with the glasswork. Everything is completed. It's just the interior that they have to do, the decoration and everything. But I think, I mean, I post people's project here, but sometimes privacy is very important. That's why you haven't seen me posting, because I don't like to get into the houses, right? Outside, I'll show you what we've done and you can see it for yourself. So if you like what you see and you're about to begin with your building journey, we would like to be part of that history. Get in touch with us, let's get started. So I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.